Hey guys, so let's have a look at what we have today. So starting with Euro USD, what we can see is the supply zone that I was looking at yesterday actually failed, and we're heading towards the extreme supply. At least that's what I think. Obviously, I've mentioned this before. We have liquidity here. You can also see liquidity like this, and then we're currently taking that out, right? So most likely we're going to head towards this 4 hour extreme supply. That's the next point where I'll be looking to take trades from. Just to update you, so from the 4 hour supply yesterday, I did try take a short from this, the lowest 4 hour supply. When we got in here, you could see price started rejecting over here. So I got in, and you could see it was pretty nasty. It was just consolidating for ages. Then with CPI, we finally got the move down, but then we had the Powell speech, and then price ended up going back up anyway. So it was another break-even trade. A lot of break-evens in the last 2 months. So for now, I'm just waiting for this extreme 4 hour supply. Now, on GU, it's much more interesting. You can see that we've taken out that liquidity I was waiting for, and now we are in this 4 hour supply. So we reacted from the extreme one already, and this is the second one. Since there was no entries from the first 4 hour supply because of NFP, price just dumped way too quick. Or maybe it was an NFP, but there was some news that made price dump way too quick without valid entries. So this is the next zone that I'm looking for to take an entry from. And from that 4 hour supply, we do have 15-minute supply, but I've made a note that it is a weak supply based on the footprint. And you can see that, it was pretty much broken, not respected, but we're sort of reacting from that area. But for me, I didn't want to take entries from this supply because it was weak, in my opinion, or not my opinion, based on footprint data. And now I'm more interested in fresh supply. So we could see the 15 is actually bullish going into the 4 hour supply at the moment. However, we have a minor structure break, which is actually meant to be down here. And then after the minor structure break, what we have is a fresh supply. The footprint 204 is very strong. I don't think I can show the footprint on this recording, but yeah, it's a very strong bullish delta in that candle. It's more towards the top of the candle, so I'm currently waiting for that level to get retested, and then I'll take shorts. Obviously, since price is bullish, that I'm not put off by that because we have 50%, which is completed already. But if you see, there was not really any clean demand in this area. So we have still a lot of potential to come down and react to some demand zones like this, like that. As you can see, there's a lot of demand remaining below, and of course the overall trend is bearish. So this is where I expect the reversal to start happening from. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for, and let's see what happens today.